In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to easily straighten and fix a leaning or snow-damaged Arborvitae, also known as an evergreen tree. As you can see, most of these Arborvitae trees are damaged or leaning due to the heavy snowfall this year. To fix this problem, we're going to use some supplies: a garden hose, utility knife, rope, and a ground anchor. The first thing you're going to do is basically cut the hose and string the rope through it. The next step is basically tie the hose and line around the top of the branches and then to the ground anchor. You're going to want to pull the rope as tight as you can to straighten the tree, and then tie it around your ground anchor. You also may have a lot of branches that are leaning away from the tree. What you do is basically bunch them up together and put the hose and rope around and tie as such. Continue to do this until all Arborvitae branches are nice and tight together. Another tip is that you may want to use red rope. This basically is a high visibility rope that you can see, so you're not running over it with your lawnmower or getting snagged in it. I had about 4 trees that I had to tie to the ground anchor, again using the high visibility rope. This project took about 45 minutes to complete. As you can see, all the branches are nicely bundled together using the rope, and this also provides for better privacy. Again, you want to tie the hose and rope around the tree. Make sure it's nice and loose as such, and this allows basically for the tree to grow comfortably. And here's the final result. All the leaning branches have basically been tied together, which also makes it easier to cut the grass around these trees. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe.